Hey guys, hope you're doing well. This video today is going to be showing you how to replace your charcoal canister. You got to take this off first, so I'm going to cut to when this cover is off. Okay guys, so I took off this cover right here. That's Michael. But yeah, took off this cover. I need to clean it off. And then yeah, your charcoal canister is right here. To take it off, you have 3 10mm nuts right here, 2 12mm, and then a couple of tabs in the rear to take off, and that's it. So it's pretty simple. All you need is simple hand tools and probably a pick for these fuel lines. But yeah, so we're gonna start disconnecting stuff, and I'll update you guys when it's just these 4 bolts to take out the canister itself. I'm gonna get a little montage. Vent line's disconnected, inlet, some other line that I don't know about, the wire to it, it's all disconnected, so it should just be the 4 bolts now and then out. So I'm gonna take those bolts out and show you guys the canister out of the car. Alright, so this is what it looks like out of the car. It's very dusty, as you can see, but we should have all the same fittings on this new one. Yep, we do. And it even comes with the little, these little 12mm screws that apparently like stay in there, which is kind of nice. So you take out these 4 little nuts right here. I'll show you. You take out these 4 little nuts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then there's these 2 12mm to take out after you take all that out. And then it just drops down. Yeah. But if you guys are getting, what is it, P2241, P043F, P043E, I don't know, P220, something like that. But it's 5 codes all together synchronized. If you get all 5 of those codes at once, it is most likely your entire charcoal system. This is the main unit that's connected to the leak detection module and the vent valve. And once this main charcoal canister goes bad, everything else does too. So you got to replace all of it. So I had this shipped from Japan. It's like $500. It's not cheap, but should get this car with less having less check engine lights, which is always a good thing. So yeah, I'm going to put this one back in, connect the hoses, and it should be straightforward. Right, I just got the new one up. Now we're gonna put the 4 bolts back in and connect all the hoses. Almost forgot, I need to get the little clips off of the old one that holds this wire up onto here. Alright guys, and just like that, everything's connected. We gotta get this one all back. that's it. Wasn't bad at all. So yeah, I'll give you guys a little close up. So took these little I guess like holders, wire holders off of the old one, put them on the new one. Wires all nice and tucked. Both of the big hoses are connected, and the purge vent is connected as well. This wire that leads to this box didn't have to worry about. It was all one unit. And yeah, so now we're going to put this back on and start the car and do the reset procedure for the window regulators, because every time you unplug the battery you have to reset your window regulators. Don't ask me why Lexus designed it like that, but yeah, cool stuff. All right, I'm gonna I have to get my key. Okay, we're gonna turn it to accessory, let it cycle a few times.
Waiting for connection. Bluetooth connection success. Waiting for connection.
All right.
Bluetooth connection
Let's see
success.
if she starts.
Waiting for connection.
Yeah,
Bluetooth
it started.
success.
I guess I'm just gonna wait. Yeah, there comes the check engine light. And now we gotta reset our door modules. So much fun. Hold it for about 5 seconds. And then you're good. Alright, well, in conclusion, that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hope this helped out a few of y'all that are going through the same issues. Oh, and also this pertains to any 2IS chassis. This is not just ISF specific. All the charcoal canisters for the 2IS are the exact same. So yeah, hope this helps some of y'all, and I'll see you in the next one.